Bonjour et bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to negate a sentence using another way in French. La négation en français, partie 3. C'est parti. In the last two videos, we saw how to negate a sentence in French. The first way, if we remember, was to add ne before the conjugated verb and pas after the conjugated verb. The second way was to add ne or an apostrophe. In case of a vowel, we add ne before a conjugated verb, and instead of pas, we add aucun or aucune after the verb, after the conjugated verb. However, in this video, we will see a completely new way of negating a sentence in French. Let's start with the first sentence. Il y a quelqu'un dans la chambre. There is someone in the bedroom. As you can see, to make the sentence negative, our first step would be to add ne or an apostrophe before the conjugated verb. Since we have il y a, therefore we put an apostrophe before e. And we are supposed to add something else after a. So in the sentence above, it is il y a quelqu'un dans la chambre, and our focus is on quelqu'un, which means someone. In English, it would be, if one had to negate this sentence, the answer would be, there is no one in the bedroom. Well, that exists in French as well. So, the opposite of quelqu'un is personne, which means no one. So, we add personne over here. That is, we add personne after the conjugated verb. So, let's have a look at these two sentences again. Il y a quelqu'un dans la chambre. There is someone in the bedroom. Our answer would be, there is no one in the bedroom. So, il n'y a personne dans la chambre. There is no one in the bedroom. If you see, we are following the same steps that we used earlier. We add ne or an apostrophe before the conjugated verb. However, in the third way of negating a sentence in French, we do not use pas, we do not use aucun or aucune. Instead, we are simply using the opposite of quelqu'un, which is personne. That means no one. Moving on to the next sentence. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose dans ton sac à main? Is there something in your handbag? Over here, our focus is on quelque chose, which means something. So if we think about what the sentence would be in English, the sentence would sound like, no, there is nothing in my handbag. So, as you can see, we have followed the same step, that is, we add ne or an apostrophe before the conjugated verb, and after the conjugated verb, we simply add the opposite, in this case the opposite of quelque chose, that is rien. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose dans ton sac à main? Is there something in your handbag? Non, il n'y a rien dans mon sac à main. No, there is nothing in my handbag. Moving on to the next one. Elle va souvent à la pâtisserie. She often goes to the pastry shop. Again, our focus is on souvent, which means often. So to make this sentence in the negative form, it would be, she never goes to the pastry shop. She often goes to the pastry shop. She never goes to the pastry shop. So in that way, we come to know that the opposite of souvent is jamais. Jamais means never. So again, we follow the same steps. We add ne before the conjugated verb, and after the conjugated verb, we add jamais. Elle va souvent à la pâtisserie. She often goes to the pastry shop. Elle ne va jamais à la pâtisserie. She never goes to the pastry shop. And moving on to the last sentence. Est-ce qu'ils vont partout dans la ville? Do they go everywhere in the city? Again, our focus is on partout. Partout means everywhere, and the opposite would be nulle part. Nulle part means nowhere. So again, we add ne before the conjugated verb, and after the conjugated verb, we simply add nulle part. Est-ce qu'ils vont partout dans la ville? Are they going everywhere in the city? Non. Ils ne vont nulle part. No, they are going nowhere. Thank you for watching et à bientôt.